Welcome to weeks 7 and 8. The next 2 weeks involve gathering a diet history from 2 clients. Record the interview for one of them. Evaluate 3 of your peers' interviews. Analyze that diet history from your 2 clients and summarize it with recommendations. Then you follow up with your recorded client and share a summary of your findings along with your recommendations. You also record this follow-up session and evaluate your peers' follow-ups. This is an exciting learning activity. I know it sounds like a lot, but it will fall into place, I promise you. While there are many assignment sections to it, you will learn a great deal from this type of hands-on or doing lessons that we've only talked about up to this point. This also will give you a bit of a comfort level for the summer practicum. All right, so keep in mind that you must interview at least one of your clients in week 7 in order to upload the Go React video recording by Saturday's deadline. You will be analyzing both clients and submitting your summary with reports by the end of week 8. Also due in week 8 is another Go React video. No, I'm mistaken. That is due in week 9. So this follow-up Go React recording, this is a session related to the client that you initially recorded, and you're going to go back and follow up with that client, and that is in week 8. This second video is to share your findings from your analysis and make recommendations for your client. You are also responsible for reviewing 3 peers' recordings at the end of week 7. So you're going to evaluate 3 of your peers of their Go React recording and how their interview process went. And then again, you're going to evaluate the follow-up recording of those same peers, and that's 2 weeks down the road. Don't be afraid of the Go React platform. You can always record, review, delete, and start again. No one will see any of those deleted attempts. Good luck with the assignments and enjoy the process. Have a great 2 weeks.